Hello, welcome to Dozy Growth. So today's topic is about how to make money on TikTok. Well, I understand very well that right now the trending social media right now is TikTok. Everyone are on TikTok, like content creators, influencers, businesses, marketers. People are making sales on TikTok. People are signing brands using TikTok. Well, and they are doing great using TikTok. But also another part of people, let me say, content creators are making money on TikTok. And maybe you are wondering how you able to make money on TikTok, especially if you are living in Africa, and yet there is no monetization in Africa. So maybe you are on TikTok, you have a good number of followers, and you don't know how to make money on TikTok. So this video is for you. Well, before we continue, kindly subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Well, so TikTok hasn't allowed anyone in Africa or any country in Africa to monetize their content. Like you need to have an international account for you to be monetized on TikTok, but there are other ways that you can monetize your content, or you can earn money through TikTok, even if you are living in Africa without the monetization. That is number one. You have to go live. Go live. There is no other option. If you want to, this is the simplest way that you can make money on TikTok. You only need 1,000 followers. Only 1,000 followers, then you are allowed to go live on TikTok. So if you go live on TikTok, you can receive gifts through gifts. When someone maybe likes your content, then you can receive gifts from your friends, from anyone who has joined your live. And then also, if you go live, people can subscribe to your channel. Then through the subscription, you earn some cash. Then number two, through TikTok series. TikTok series. So if you also that you require 1,000 subscribers to be able to monetize on TikTok series. So you're posting content as a series, then someone pays a certain amount of money for them to view your series. Well, another thing is work with artists. Here you are supposed to if you tap work with artists, you'll be taken to a site. You are given instruction you're supposed to do. Maybe if you're supposed to lip sync or whatever you're supposed to do. When your video goes viral, you can earn more. The more your engagement your video has, then the more you'll be paid. I think so. Mostly it works because there are so many people who participate on working with artists, and people are earning money through work with artists. And here in working with artists, you will be required to provide your bank details, or if not bank details, you can provide your PayPal account. The money will be sent directly into your account, not on the TikTok account. Some of these for gifts and TikTok series, the money will be paid to your TikTok account. But for working with artists, the money will go directly into your account. That is, maybe if you provided a PayPal account, then the money will go directly to the PayPal account. If you provided a bank account, then the money will go directly to the bank account. But I think the most effective way, or the effective tool to provide is PayPal, or the safest, the PayPal account. Then another thing, you can monetize your content in TikTok if you're living in Africa, is video gifts. These video gifts, you are supposed to have like 10,000, at least 10,000 followers for you to open that feature for video gifts. So if you have 10,000 followers and above, then you can open the feature for video gifts. For if someone likes your video or is impressed with your video, they can send you gifts through. They can send you gifts through the video after watching as a comment. It comes as a comment you press. After watching, you go as someone who is commenting on the video, then you send something like a sticker. Then that's the way a person can receive a gift from TikTok, from through video gives. Then besides those, you can also monetize yourself on TikTok. If you are living in Africa, you can become an influencer. You can be approached by brands on TikTok. You can become brand ambassador. That is number 2. Then you can also market your business through TikTok. Another way, you can do affiliate marketing. There are many other ways that you can benefit on TikTok. Even if you can be monetized, you can the monetization that other people are benefiting from, or other countries are benefiting from, that African lack the privilege, you can as well benefit even if you're not monetized. That official monetization that you receive maybe from ads, etc., etc. So as you have seen, even without official monetization of TikTok in Africa, you can still gain when you participate on TikTok. So if you don't have an account on TikTok, you can as well run to TikTok, create an account, build a following, then you will benefit. Don't miss out on the chances, building your business, building your brand. When they recognize you, you can earn even much more than those who are earning on TikTok. Although I know people are earning so much on TikTok, but if you are consistently build your brand, then you will achieve more and more. So thank you for watching. So kindly subscribe, and let's meet on the next video.